Hi everybody, it's Rose here. Thanks for joining me. So I posted a video the other day and off camera I put a stencil on. So I thought I'd show you how I did the stencil. So I have a new stencil. I saw Olga Soby do this, so that's how I got the technique, but I thought I'd show you. I just picked up a couple of stencils from Michael's. This was the butterfly I did. So here's a painting I did it's okay, but it's a little boring. So I'm gonna add a hummingbird. I decided where I wanted it. So this is totally dried and, been dried for weeks. And I have frog tape. So just decide where you want it. And it's okay that it's gonna be off the edge. So I'm just gonna tape down with the frog tape. Just holds it in place. Then there is a learning curve. This is my fourth doing this. So I'm using Liquitex gloss heavy gel right out of and so this dries clear and it's gloss. So and a little goes a long way, and I'm using an offset palette. This was from last time. That's okay, has that. So I know if I cover this whole thing, then I'm not gonna know where everything is. So I'm gonna do the black first. So I want the eye, the beak, and the feet black. So just, and I want his eye. And sorry for any noise, because we get snow. So I got some paint. Some I've already mixed, some are straight out of the tube. So, and I'm scooping it at the back side of the spatula. So.
Are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it when life throws lemons. Just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you.
completely dried, but that was pretty easy, I think. You know, it's not perfect, but there it is. All right, I'll show it to you dried. Thanks. All right, here it is dried, and it only takes like 12 hours for it to dry. And this is textured here, which was intentional. The rest is smooth. I'm pleased with it. So yeah, give it a try. I want to show you another project. I don't have this on camera, but I added stencil here. This is a wood round. It's going to be a table. I'm going to put resin on it. It's not, I did not create it on camera. So, little elephants. And so I just off-centered some of the stencils. But yeah, I think it's fun. I've been staring at this piece because it needed something. So there it is. Here to try. Hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time. Peace.